Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm going to be walking you through how to use the header and footer portion of our Flex Site Designer. During this training, you'll learn how to define and design the header and footer options within your website and registration process to customize the look and feel for different audiences. Before we begin, let's talk about what the header and footer allows us to accomplish. By leveraging this feature, we can have the same header and footer across pages of similar interests, or different ones depending on event need. I can control headers and footers across each page or path to accomplish the tailored experiences we focus on within our Project Flex event. As an example, I'm going to demonstrate configuring a unique header and footer for my VIP path, separate from what my general attendees will see. I'm starting out in Website and Registration Process. I'm going to go ahead and open the Site Designer to customize our header and footer. The first thing you'll notice when we hover over the header is rather than seeing the ability to customize the sections and widgets as I can throughout the body of my canvas, I see a pink box with a lock icon that lets me know that I need to click into the header and footer region to customize. Because we can configure these settings across all of our pages and paths or individually, I'm going to go into the header and footer region by clicking into my navigation menu. Down at the bottom, I'll click into my default header and footer. And now I have the ability to customize and configure widgets within this region as I'd like. I'm going to use a text widget from the right here, drag it where I want the text to appear, and enter in a short welcome message. Now to customize for my VIPs, I'm going to start by going back into my navigation menu, switching over to my VIP path, and now I'm going to create a new header and footer. I'll label this VIP header and footer. And I'm going to configure this for all of my registration pages in this path. I'll click Create here. And now I can get started. I'm going to start off by using the same background image from my previous header. And I'll use another text widget, this time to add in a message for my VIPs only. For my footer, I'm not going to make any dramatic changes, but let's say I want to color code the background color for my VIPs. I'm going to click into my footer here and add in the hex value from one of my other theme colors so that my VIPs see a custom footer color. Now I've configured two separate and templated versions of my header and footer, one for my general attendees and one for my VIPs. Our hope is that you're now able to describe and design the header and footer of your website and registration process and tailor it to your event needs. Thank you for joining.